This is Daily Dose of Medicine. Today, we will talk about fix your gut, foods that heal your microbiome. When you fix your microbiome, you'll be more healthy, not just your gut, entire body. Foods that can help heal the gut microbiome are those that promote microbial diversity and support the growth of beneficial bacteria. First, we can talk about dietary fibers from whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts. They are consistently shown to enrich beneficial taxa such as bifidobacterium, lactobacillus, and to increase short-chain fatty acid production, which is linked to gut health and anti-inflammatory effects. We have prebiotic foods. These foods feeding the good bacteria. They contain fibers that nourish beneficial microbes, like garlic, which is rich in inulin, prebiotic fiber that feeds the good bacteria, also has antimicrobial properties that help control harmful microbes. Onions also contain inulin and quercetin, an antioxidant that reduces inflammation. Asparagus, which is high in inulin and antioxidants, promotes growth of bifidobacteria and lactobacilli. Bananas, especially green bananas, contain resistant starch that reaches the colon and feeds the microbes. Leeks, chicory, artichokes are excellent source of inulin, polyphenols that support microbial diversity. Then we have probiotic foods, fermented foods. They replenish microbial diversity. We have yogurts, contains lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, improves digestion and immune function. Kefir, which is a fermented milk drink with diverse microbes, helps restore gut flora and reduce inflammation. Kimchi and Sauerkraut, they're good fermented vegetable options, rich in lactic acid, bacteria, and fiber, boost gut motility and detoxify. We have miso and tempeh, they're fermented soy products that enhance digestion and they're increasing your protein intake also. Kombucha is a fermented tea with live cultures. It supports digestion. Polyphenol-rich foods such as berries, tea, dark chocolate, and certain fruits can modulate the microbiome, favoring beneficial species and suppressing potentially pathogenic ones. So eating these foods will definitely help your microbiome. Plant-based diets, especially the Mediterranean diet, are associated with more diverse and compositionally favorable microbiota. The American Gastroenterological Association recommends a Mediterranean-style diet emphasizing whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, seeds, and olive oil for patients with inflammatory bowel disease and for general gut health. Minimizing ultra-processed foods and excessive saturated fat is recommended as these are linked to reduced microbial diversity and increased dysbiosis. But we should know that there is no standardized dosage for these foods, but clinical trials typically use 25 to 35 gram per day dietary fiber for adults and a regular inclusion of fermented foods, 1 to 2 servings per day. And this is supported by interventional studies. Individual responses may vary, and dietary interventions should be tailored to the patient, tolerance, and clinical context. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to join our channel membership, watch our how to detox pancreas and liver videos, and I'll see you on the next one.